I've been meaning to, she's a new artist. I've been meaning to react to her.
Halo Lur, apa kabar semuanya hari ini? Admin doakan semoga semua selalu dalam keadaan sehat. Amin. Kali ini, kita akan menyaksikan 3 musisi senior Amerika saat menyaksikan penampilan Putri Ariani di acara America's Got Talent. Tanpa berlama-lama, mari kita mulai Lur.
Putri Ariani with Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me. We know that Putri, unfortunately, she didn't win. But I still believe that either way, only good things are gonna happen to her right now, because how she can be ignored in the world with such a talent, with such a voice. So sometimes being the first is not, it's not the most important thing. But I'm 100% convinced that she's gonna have such a beautiful, beautiful life from now on, filled with music and joy and everything she wants.
So let's get into it. Voice.
Look at her, wow.
I can't lie, no more of your darkness. All my pictures seem to fade to black and white.
That was wonderful, you guys. Let's give that a thumbs up.
We talk about it a few times, that the way she sings, it's so much that she's in completely different state of mind when she sings.
Close the door and left me blinded by the light.
Oh my gosh.
Don't let the sun go down on me, yeah. Don't let the sun. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I
The
see.
audio's gotten a little lower.
A little bit like childlike, because it's so pure and so honest. But when she sings like someone with such experience and so much years of practice. She's such a young girl. I love the song. I love the song.
I never heard the song.
Oh my god, it's such an amazing song. It's really, really beautiful. I forgot about this song. I haven't heard it for years. Such an amazing song, beautiful. I love the arrangement of the song. When the choir came in, the lights,
feel gospel a bit.
Oh my god, really, really, really special.
Yeah, the volume was fading in and out just a little bit. Somebody leave me a comment. Tell me something about her. I did not watch her initial.
And left me blinded by the light. Don't let the sun go down on me, yeah. Don't let the sun. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see.
Putri Ariani, Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me from AGT. This was just from 20 hours ago. And I've been meaning to, she's a new artist. I've been meaning to react to her, but I haven't had the chance. So we're going to do this one. A lot of the ones I do from AGT get blocked, so I don't know how this is going to work, but we're going to give it a shot.
I don't know what else to say. Really beautiful.
She's really good. She's so good. You cannot deny her voice, her talent for music, her passion. The way she sings, like you said, she have years of experience.
Yeah.
There's so much. You have no show. Probably I'll be there singing. I'll be shaking all. I cannot even say. Yeah. I'll be blocked. All right. But she's so good. She's so serious about what she's doing. It's just unbelievable.
For output too.
Sun going down.
Wow.
Sun going down. I know.
Woo! Hitting that note, man.
I just love fragment of your life.
Oh, the volume got really low.
I look at Simon, who was so proud of her.
Yeah, good for him. He should be.
Oh my God.
I really think, you know, that only good things happen from now on to her, and rightly so. She deserves everything what's coming her way. Everything. All the recognition, all the support, you know, the open door to all different, you know, places in the world.
She truly deserves it,
yes, yeah. This is the difference between someone who's has a good voice and had to, you know, practice and master the voice, and then her, you can see it's a gifted talent. She was born with that talent. It's not that, it's so beautiful to see.
Leave her a comment. Best ever. Best of luck to her.
I just allow a fragment of your life to
I watched American Idol like the first 5 years, 6 years, something like that. And I guess I just got wore out on it. A lot of them just became mediocre at best. And I don't know, he's like once in a while, like every couple of years, they'll find somebody that's just amazing.
It's really beautiful how she transforms when she sings. It's like a proud parent. You watch it, so, oh my God, look at her.
True that, yeah.
Wow.
And she give you that, what she's singing. She
Yeah.
just give it. You feel the emotion is everything. She put it. It's just unbelievable. She's so good.
Wow, her voice.
on me.
Good for her.
Ketika tampilan panggung di America's Got Talent terbuka untuk Putri Ariani, dunia musik menyaksikan seorang penyanyi yang mampu menghipnotis penonton dengan keanggunan vokalnya. Para musisi senior di seluruh dunia tak hanya merasa kagum, tetapi juga merasakan kedalaman emosi yang disampaikan melalui setiap nada yang dinyanyikannya. Sebagian besar musisi senior yang telah menghabiskan puluhan tahun di industri musik seringkali sulit untuk terkesan. Namun, ketika mereka melihat Putri Ariani membawakan lagu-lagu penuh emosi dengan vokal yang begitu menggetarkan, mereka tidak bisa tidak merasakan ketukan kecil di hati mereka yang mengatakan, ini benar-benar luar biasa. Penampilan Putri Ariani di America's Got Talent bukan hanya sekadar penampilan biasa. Ia mampu menyentuh hati setiap penonton dengan suara yang mampu menciptakan momen emosional yang tak terlupakan. Musisi senior ini menghargai kekuatan musik untuk menghubungkan orang dengan cara yang unik. Mereka yang telah menjalani perjalanan panjang dalam dunia musik tahu betul seberapa sulitnya mencapai tingkat keahlian yang dimiliki oleh Putri Ariani. Dalam setiap catatan yang dinyanyikannya, terdapat pengalaman hidup dan dedikasi yang luar biasa. Ketika musisi senior ini memberikan penghormatan kepada Putri Ariani, mereka juga memberikan inspirasi kepada generasi berikutnya. Mereka tahu bahwa dunia musik selalu memerlukan bakat muda yang menginspirasi dan membawa angin segar ke industri ini. Dalam Putri Ariani, mereka melihat bintang yang bersinar terang di masa depan musik. Sampai jumpa lagi lur di video lainnya bersama channel Rafiko. Admin ucapkan terima kasih telah menonton.